Mons Merapi is one of the active volcanoes in Indonesia, close to Magelang districts. And over past decades, Merapi has erupted for several times in 2010, 2018, 2020, and currently 2021. How the largest eruption in 2010, and after these eruptions, local government strengthened the early warning system and evacuation sites currently, in 20 and 21, Merapi erupted again and impacting Magelang districts. And fortunately, there is no fatality reported from this event. However, public health issues emerged for IDPs in Magelang, and the situations more challenging were compounded by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Moreover, several main health concerns become evident, like acute respiratory infections, communicable disease and poor sanitations, mental health, COVID-19 transmission rates, and etc. So regarding that all issues, what next? What should need to prepare by District Health Office Magelang District? As a result, there was a clear need to prepare health disaster plan to manage public health service delivery in IDPs camp. So the methods of our study, observational approach, and how the data collecting from field report, activity of training and assistance, and this is the timelines. The activity began on February 20 and 24. There was initial discussion on DHO Magelang, and on May there was agreement on training and assisting for the development of health disaster plan, and on July training in full for sectors. How in these trainings not only internal staff from DHO but also in full sector like hospital and also community public health. And on August to October, there was assisting for 3 months by consultant from THPM University of Gadjah Mada. And you can see scan in this barcode to assess final report. And this is our results from our study. The results of this study demonstrate significant progress by DHO Magelang. How by the training and assisting activity, now they have document health disaster plan. And there were many aspects that developed during the assessing. The firstly regarding to contingency plan, DHO developed how disaster plan in alignment with the Merapi contingency plan prepared by the Magelang District Decency Agency, and secondly risk analyzing, and after based on their experience, so they decide to address multi-hazard scenario, eruption and pandemic, and for health cluster aspects. Involves the health cluster under the health cluster frameworks, and developing structure, organization, health emergency operation center, include clear command structure, roles and responsibilities. And the last one is developing risk map into response maps. The DHO needs to implement targeted service and early identification system for vulnerable population during eruption. So there are many key components that must be addressed and integrated into their disaster plans, like coordination, resources allocation, roles and functions, communication and operational procedure, and strategic planning.
Time.
Okay, thank you. And this is our conclusions. We have 3 points. The district health disaster plan to mobilize resources integrated with the cluster annex. And the second is district health plans cover disaster scenario, health cluster rules, and the last one is Magelang as HEOC coordinator, leading a structure, data-driven and well-coordinated
to the